If you're looking for like basic spices to plant at home, easy to plant, this is the video for you. This is thyme. Very easy to grow. As you can see, I've just got it like from the nursery. Now I'm going to transplant it, and of course it will be flourishing within a small period of time. So when we talk about scented spices, look for lavender. It is very easy to grow. It needs sunlight and of course moist soil, though it doesn't have to be like a lot of water, just water like once a week, and you have your healthy plants in your own home. This is turmeric. I kept some to show you how it looks like when you keep it for a long period of time. So you just have to plant it facing upwards, just put it in soil, and then within a short time it will start sprouting out of the soil. It needs fertile soil. As you can see, I have very good soil, and place it in soil and water it like twice a week to thrice a week, and within no time you have a very beautiful plant. This is lemongrass. It makes a very good flavoring for teas. You have a tea with that citrus kind of taste, and of course with a very nice aroma. Tulsi, very common in Asian countries like India. It's also easy to grow. It loves a lot of sunlight and very good for your tea. The next one we have is tarragon. It's also very good for your soups. In case you're cooking your soup, you can just harvest some of the leaves and then you just put it in the soup, and it will give it a very nice flavor and a very nice taste. So I actually have so many mint types, so I'm going to be showing you a few of them. I'll make a separate video of them. That is all mint. I normally put it in my juice and in my tea. So why I do a lot of spices in my home is because I do a lot of cooking at home, and I enjoy my food, my juice and my tea flavored. That is why I grow so many herbs and spices. This is oregano. It's very nice for soups, for teas. I'll actually do separate videos about all these spices because now I don't have enough time to share more information about them. Yeah, that is lemon balm, also good for teas and juice. And trust me guys, these herbs and spices are very easy to grow at home. You have to just make sure you have like the right weather, the right amount of water, enough sunlight. It's lemon verbena. It has a very nice aroma. Yeah, so this is rosemary. I know it's common, most of you guys know it, but trust me, it's a very good herb. It's very good for your body, it's very good for your health, it's very good for flavorings. And just keep around my channel, just subscribe. Soon I'm gonna be sharing with you how to plant these spices, how to look after them, the weather they need, the health benefits from them. This is dill, mainly used in seasoning and also dressing different things, and also as a garnish. Yes, so this is marjoram. I use my marjoram in soups. It's actually also adds a very good flavor to soups. So in case you've liked the video, I've just shared a few of the spices and herbs I have at home. In case you've liked the video, subscribe, also hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I do upload. Bye bye.